updates and travel today on Kababayan LA. Happy Hump Day, everyone! Punong-puno na naman po tayo ngayong hapon sa kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang locally produced daily show na tungkol at para sa ating mga Pilipino. Kung saan po not too long ago, we went to Korea. In the past, we've been showing you series and segments kung ano po ba talaga yung mga ginawa namin sa Korea. At syempre, pag sinasabi nilang Seoul, Korea or Seoul of Asia or South Korea, naku, hindi po mawawala ang shopping. And that's what I did as well. Let's watch this. And because they say shopping is the best here in South Korea, we have to do some serious bargaining. Kakachotseyo, that's a term that means, can we ask for more discount? I tell you, you're gonna need that as we go around today at Namdaemun Market here in South Korea. Namdaemun is a large traditional market in Seoul, South Korea. It was named after the nearby Great South Gate, which is Namdaemun in Korean. This is one of Korea's largest wholesale markets that covers more than 10,000 acres and filled with more than 1,000 shops, stalls, retailers, vendors that sell traditional Korean garments, Korean souvenirs, clothing, shoes, fabrics, tablewares, flowers, vegetables, just about anything and everything. And if you didn't find what you were looking for at Namdaemun, you're lying. Hindi, joke lang. Sige na nga, kung gusto nyo pa ng mas marami pang shopping, pumunta kayo sa Insadong. Kasi hindi lang more shopping, meron pa mga traditional tea houses where you can relax and enjoy traditional Korean tea. Insadong Street stretches over 700 meters between the Angok-dong Rotary and Tapgol Park. During the Joseon Dynasty, the street was dominated by Dowa Won, a place of study for painters. The area is now still a center for the arts, and painters, craftsmen, and art lovers continue to set up shop along the narrow alleys, making it a unique place full of folk crafts, pottery, and painting. And look who we have here. Nakasalubong ko pa mga kababayan natin na nagsha-shopping dito sa Insadong. Pangalan?
Amy po.
Cassie ko.
What brings you here sa Korea?
We wanted to check out the shopping because people said that the clothes here are also nice and fashionable.
So ano, satisfactory naman ba?
Yeah, there are lots of places to shop.
Ganun na ba yung trend ngayon from the Philippines also na nagpupunta dito sa Korea yung mga tao? Kasi di ba before Hong Kong or Thailand, yung sa Bangkok, di ba?
I think so. Kasi mas marami rin Korean sa Philippines, so mas alam nila na okay sa Korea.
Yeah, and yung mga trends natin, parang okay naman yung dito, nagmamatch naman siya.
This is one place you should not miss. Sarah?
This is called Samjikil in Korean.
And you say that this is unique. Why is it unique? And what can we find in this place?
In this building, you can find everything like nice clothing, nice accessories, and nice gifts like this. Each shop, there's a very unique products made by themselves.
And you mentioned something about intertwining or not level. It's not...
Yes, right. The building look like snail. So if you go through these stairs, you can go to the top.
Oh, okay, like a snail, like a spiral.
Right.
All right, and if you're doing some serious shopping, you better take it from the locals. Shop like they do. Sarah, can you give us tips on how, we can get the best bargain here in Korea?
Still in Korea, it's so hard to communicate in English. So you better prepare the Korean currency. They prefer Korean won.
Okay, they prefer Korean won. What about discounts?
Well, so they don't like discounted prices. But if you speak like Korean, like 깎아주세요, it means give me some discount. Okay, then they feel very touched. They'll give you good price.
All right, so you say kakajuseo. I'll practice that. How about, in some countries you go there in the summer, in the winter, fall, because it's discount season or sale season. Do they have sale in Korea?
No, we don't have that kind of system in Korea. Okay.
So then we go back to the basic, which is kakajuseo, which is asking for discount.
Yes, right, exactly.
All right, I'm going to practice first and do some serious shopping. And I hope you enjoyed today's edition of Our Time here in Korea. More adventures in the coming days on Kababayan LA.